This is to show you how to remove a Memoskop CX or CX200 from the monitor cart for shipping. So you're going to need two tools, a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench and a small thin bladed regular screwdriver. Start by making sure that the monitor cart is unplugged from the wall. On the back, see there's 6 of the 2.5 millimeter Allens holding the back panel on, and there's 4 that cover the service, the little hidden service shelf. So let's take these 4 out first. Set this aside. Try not to lose any hardware. In here you'll find hopefully you'll find the logbook. Inside the logbook are the discs, and the one that we're interested in is that says license. And it should have a 9- number on it that matches the USB license dongle, the number that's on that. I'll set that aside for right now. I'll take out the rest of these. This back panel will probably be attached with a ground wire. You can either take the ground wire off, it's got a little 7 millimeter nut holding it on, or you can just keep it nearby, save yourself a little time and trouble. That way you don't have to take the time to remove that ground wire. Same thing with this cover here, has a ground wire attached to it, and you can just let it dangle by the ground wire or disconnect it, your choice. Just keep the cover nearby. You don't have to worry about disconnecting it. So let's take a look here. We've got remove the power cord. We have 2 video connectors, 1 and 2. You might want to take a magic marker and mark them 1 and 2 so you can put them back in the right place. There's little thumb nuts that loosen. You can remove the 2 DVI connectors. The video in is a BNC. It's a 1/4 turn to the left. Be gentle with it. It's very delicate. This green D15 sub is usually not connected to anything. The X-ray interface connector has 2 small retaining screws for your little flat blade. Gently remove that. Same thing with the keyboard. Has 2 screws. Remove that. There's a little foam block. You want to remove that. It's just stuck on with double stick tape. Set that aside. You're going to need that. Put that back when you replace the Memoskop. Ethernet cable, there's a little tab on the top. Push down on it. Gently remove that. The little tab locks it in place. You may or may not have a printer hooked up to USB 1. That just unplugs. And this is your license dongle. It must be plugged into USB 2, the bottom port. Just gently remove that. Set that aside also. It's just kind of a friction fit sitting on top of these foam pads. So hold the wheels with your feet and tug gently. Keep the cables out of the way. It comes right out. Now for packing, come over to the Memoskop box. remove one of the inserts. And you can see the way this insert is made. It's got the saran wrap plastic facing up. It's got the bubble wrap under it. The bubble wrap is just a safety net in case it suffers a really severe shock and the plastic tears, the saran wrap tears. It'll just provide a little safety net for the Memoskop. Put the Memoskop in like that. Take the other insert, saran wrap towards the Memoskop. And then, as you can see, the bubble wrap is in between the plastic saran wrap and the box. There's, if you get a box from us, it'll have how to pack your Memoskop instructions included. If we sent you tools, please put the tools back in the box or padded envelope that they came in and put them in the box with your shipment. And you will want to, if you are sending your Memoskop to us for repair and return, you'll want to include the license disc and the license dongle. Put them in a padded envelope and put them in the Memoskop box. Usually the safest place to put the disc is to put it in a protective envelope taped to the top of the Memoskop, because the flat surface protects the disc from getting broken. It's usually the best place to put your disc and your dongle, because we're going to need your disc and dongle to do the repair to your Memoskop and then return it to you. Once you have everything in the box, fold the box, tape it this way, fold the box, tape it this way, tape it that way, tape it up really good, can't use too much tape. Put your packing list on it and send it to us. That's it.